I want to start this video off by saying if you want proper, in-depth SEO content, go and check out Henry Purchase's YouTube channel. He talks all things from Squarespace SEO, but this is just a really specific query that I get from clients, and that is how to add a SEO description to a specific page. It's really simple. It takes like 20 seconds, so I'm going to show you how to do it now. But as I say, if you want the juicier stuff, go and view Henry's YouTube channel and use his Squarespace SEO plugin. Try not to step on his toes, but I know this is going to help a fair few of you out there. So let's hop on over and I'll show you how to do it. So we're going to quickly add our SEO description into our page. What we want to do is go into a website, and then we want to find the page that we're going to add the description to. So let's, for instance, go to contact. So we go into the contact page by clicking the cog, and then we want to go down to SEO. So we click SEO, and you can see here we can add the title, and then we can add the description in here. If you don't do this, don't worry, Squarespace will automatically generate a description for you. But if you want a little bit of extra SEO juice, this is where you add it. So you can add that in, SEO description, hit save, and there you go, you're done. So that's how you add your SEO description to a page on Squarespace. If you found this useful, as usual, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all of the Squarespace resources in the description below.